guys. So what I'm going to do today is this beautiful reindeer and a big antler here, and this is the reindeer here that's sitting down. So this is kind of good for Christmas, which is very close now, so I'm going to make these. Now also I want to make this kind of lively, so I put some glitters of gold in here, and also I want to make it like a rainbow colors. So I've got loads of colors here which I'm going to use for the antlers, and then I'm just going to use a brown for the body in here. So stick with me guys and watch as I go, and hopefully this will be a good fun because this is my first time to do this. So let's start. So I've already done the glitter, so what I'm going to do now is to mix my resin A and B, and it's the same way, it's to 1:1 ratio. So I'm just going to move these away so I'll have a clear working space. So this is my 120 ml silicone cup. I need another one, so I need to put one on each cup because I don't want it to mix right away, otherwise it will go hard and I'm not ready yet. So I'm going to do it one at a time per color, and you make sure that the lid is always sealed because you don't want to go back to it and it's always there because it's all hard. Right, so that's an equal part. Very good in eyeballing. That's really good. Now you would know which one is the A and B. The hardener is slightly yellowish in color and the other one is very clear in color. Okay, right. I'm just gonna mix little by little. I'm gonna start with half of these. Body first. So this is my body there. Right, so what I will do is pour a little bit for the head, and then I'm going to make the head a little bit darker than the body. Although it doesn't look so brown, as you can see, it's not very good. So I'm just going to add some more. And that's a lot, but it's not giving me enough brown, but that should do. There you go. Okay. So I'm going to pour this for the head. It's very hard to talk, you know, with this mask on. I felt like I'm suffocated. Actually, this resin
is not really awful. It doesn't really smell anything. But of course, we still have to take some extra precautions because you may not feel like you've inhaled something because there's no odor, but definitely something is going into your lungs. So we don't want to take the risk whatsoever. So whether you are smelling anything or nothing at all, you still use the mask for your own safety. Okay, right, so what am I going to do now is just the white. My reindeer is going to be beautiful with all these colors. So all pretty white. Okay, there we go. I just measured it exactly of how much I needed. Whoa, I've not wasted anything. That's cool. Wow, there you go. Alright, now I'm just gonna let this settle. Where's my alcohol? Alcohol, where are you? So I'm just gonna spray a little bit of alcohol to get rid of the bubbles. And that's awesome. But I'm just gonna put this in one corner. Right, first of all, I'm gonna mix all of this now, because this is where I'm gonna make all my colors. I'm gonna knock it down now. Right, mix this again for 2 to 3 minutes. I prefer to mix this one at a time, because if I mix all together these, I may not finish what I need to do, but the mixture is already curing. So it's very hard when it's already hard. I couldn't control anymore the flow of this. This is going hard. That's why I prefer to mix one at a time. Alcohol in there. Now I just needed a small pot because I only need a small amount of colors, because this is only very tiny space that I need to fill in. So not really a lot. So let's begin. I'm just going to start with just a very tiny amount. I don't want to be in order with the rainbow colors, but you know what I mean. The rainbow colors are there. I just put 3 drops in each one because this pigment is not opaque and there's almost nothing there. I want to put a little bit of gold because I have glitters of gold in there, and then I just want to highlight the bit of the gold, and I don't have the gold. I don't have the, just only a tiny bit, not a lot.